Hello everybody. Okay, let me just move this back. So as promised, I mentioned I would be doing a 10-minute stretch session. So I'm hoping you're able to see everything. It's sometimes kind of difficult because live doesn't allow, if I turn my phone sideways, then you will not, you'll be watching me sideways too. But as promised, this is going to be a 10-minute stretch session. I have my watch on, so I'll be aware of time. And, you know, I've had people approach me and say, can you do an online exercise class? And the reason why I haven't chosen to do that yet is because, you know, there's a lot of online workouts going on right now. There's a lot of yoga sessions going on right now. Get going, Lucky. And I feel there's enough of that out there currently. So I thought, you know, why not do a stretch session? You don't need to be a yoga expert. You don't need to have, and what I mean by yoga experts, if you've never done yoga before, then you might feel uncomfortable doing a yoga session. So that's why I'm doing a simple 10-minute stretch session. It's very similar to how I ended my fitness classes when I taught them. And one more thing before we get started. If by chance you do really want me to do an online exercise workout, like a 20-minute one, then send me a direct message or comment down below with a yes, and then I would create a separate Facebook group for that. All right, so let's get started. I apologize not having music in the background. The reason being, if there's certain songs that come on and they're copyrighted, what happens as I'm doing this live and you're watching the recording, it gets silenced, that portion where that copyright song comes on. All right, so I don't know if Lucky's going to be joining us, but get comfortable and breathe, and let's get started on our 10-minute session of just stretching. Again, I apologize if you're not be able to see all of me, but Lucky, you cannot be here. And all right, so is this going to work with Lucky here? Okay, Lucky, go. Sorry guys. See what happens when you have a dog that loves to be with you, which is a positive thing, right? So we're going to completely lie down and, okay, Lucky, I love you, but you got to go. Come, let's go see. Come on, let's go see. Go. Okay. All right. So here we go. Lie comfortably on your back. Okay, you want to be flat. Hayden, can you get Lucky, please? All right, there we go. Just catch your breath, and 10 minutes will be starting now. You want to be relaxed, okay? Just let your inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth, feeling your whole body relax, feeling every part of you, the stress that you may be feeling with this virus that's going around. We're going to release it. We're going to loosen up the body and just totally focus in on yourself, all right? Big inhale, and as you exhale, bend your leg, bring that knee, holding it either with your hand or taking that yoga strap, which I prefer to do, holding it here, and forearms relaxed, back of your arms, which are your triceps, just holding it. And do not worry if you're able to get this far down, that is all right. The key is that you're just relaxing your body. These are really good back stretches we're doing right now. Big inhale and big exhale. Release through the mouth, relaxing those shoulders. Good. Big inhale, and as you exhale, release that leg, bring it flat down. Good. Big inhale, and as you exhale, bring that other knee to your chest. However you can hold it, that is fine. It's not a competition here, everybody. Just use that yoga strap. You can use your hands, totally up to you. Again, I like to use my yoga strap because it allows my upper body to be more relaxed. Big inhale, exhale, good. Leaving your leg that you're holding, big inhale. As you exhale, bring that opposite leg and join them as well, using your hands or using your yoga strap. Again, making sure you adjust so that back is flat on the ground. If you're up high, that's okay. Exhale, bring it as close as possible without having any pain. Big inhale, exhale through the mouth. Good. And hold it again. Big inhale and exhale. Excellent. Slowly as you exhale, lower those legs, laying that yoga strap off to the side. Good. Both hands down beside you, palms up, back your hands on the floor. Big inhale, and as you exhale, drop it to your left side. Again, does not matter how far you are or I am, as long as you're feeling the stretch in your back. Lucky, out. Hayden, can you call Lucky, please? Lucky, go. Go, 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 go. Big inhale to the middle, and as you exhale, drop it to the other side. Again, hands to your side. Lucky, you need to get out. Good. Again, I'm a little tight on this side, so it's not all together. Hayden, can you get in, please? Hold in. Big inhale, and as you exhale, bring your knees to the middle. Exhale, legs to the other side. Lucky, go. You stay there. Keep on holding it there. Inhale to the middle. Exhale, legs go to the other side. You hold it on that side. Whoa. Yeah. Good. Inhale, exhale to the middle. Good for you. And just hold it there again. Exhale, bringing both your legs to your chest, using the yoga strap if you'd like, and hold it there. Good. As you exhale, release both those legs. And I want your legs to be straight as possible. Your arms, you're going to bring them above your head, right beside your head, and stretch. Your fingers reach one wall, your toes reach the other wall. Feel that body being elongated. Feel that body stretching. Enjoy that stretch. Good. Exhale. Big inhale. Exhale, bring that left leg, bend it. Take that yoga strap. You're going to place it underneath the ball of your foot here. Okay, you're going to relax. In the back of your arms, which are your triceps, they're going to go on the ground, okay? As you exhale, I want you to extend that leg, body here. As you can see, my hamstrings have become very, very tight because I haven't been stretching them enough. But just hold it there. If there's pain, then lower it. Again, you have your arms controlling that leg, controlling that yoga strap. So you let that leg relax. Your toes point them towards you, heels pointed out. Big inhale, exhale, pull that leg closer. Remember, no pain. You might feel tightness, and just hold it there. Make sure you have no pain anywhere else. The shoulders are relaxed. Big inhale, and as you exhale, pull it closer, only if you can. Of course, you might have your leg more bent, and that is okay. Again, no pain. Big inhale, exhale, leave it there, or pull it closer. Totally up to you. Toes pointed towards you, heel pointed towards the sky or the wall. Shoulders relaxed. Good. Good. What you're going to do now is your left leg is in the sky. So you're going to put that yoga strap into your right hand. Your left hand out to the side, palm up. As you exhale, bring that leg over to that right side. Big inhale, exhale to the top. Big inhale, exhale to the side again. Good. Big inhale, exhale here. Good. Now bring it to that opposite hand. Right hand goes out to the side, palm up. Big inhale, exhale, open it out to the side as far as you can go. Good. Inhale, exhale back to the top. Remember, your arm is doing the nice controlling here. Exhale out to that side. Feel how good it feels. Big inhale, exhale here. Both straps, each hand now. Inhale, exhale, point the toes towards you, heels towards the sky, and pull it closer, only if you feel comfortable. And the sun is directly in my eyes when I turn, so I'm going to keep it up. Good. Bend that leg, release that yoga strap. Good. Now we're going to work with that right leg. Big inhale, and as you exhale, bend that right leg. Put that yoga strap underneath the ball of your foot. Exhale here, head on the ground, arms touching here. Again, doesn't matter how high or how low your leg is. It's to your comfort zone, all right? Shoulders relaxed. Toes towards you, heels towards the sky or that other wall. Big inhale. As you exhale, pull it closer towards your body. Good. Big inhale. Exhale, pull it closer to your body. Relax that upper body. One more time, pull it closer. Good. Put the yoga straps in your left hands, right hand out to the side, palm up. As you exhale, bring that right leg to that left side. Feel that stretch in your back. Good. Inhale, exhale, back to the top. Good. Try and get that leg where it was before. As you exhale, go down to the side. Good. Exhale, back to the top. Right hand holds the yoga strap. Left hand goes up to the side. Palm up. As you exhale, bring it over to that side. Good. Big inhale, exhale to the middle. Leg up. Exhale to that side. Good. And back up to the top. Yoga straps, one in each hand. Pull it up again as you exhale. One more time. Bend that leg. Relax here. That right leg stays bent. Left leg comes to the side, joins it, rolling over using the hand to help you get up. Okay. Here we go. Your back is flat as possible. Your legs are your hip width apart. Your arms are going to be in line with your shoulders here, directly in line, okay? Think of one disc at a time as you do this, okay? So you're going to start at your tailbone. You're going to focus on one disc at a time as you go towards the mat. Okay, your neck and then your head goes up. Your head remains at the top. You're going to think of yourself as a cat. Starting at the tailbone, one disc at a time, turned, shoulder, neck, and your head goes down. Head stays at the bottom, starting at your tailbone, one disc at a time. You're going to curve it here, neck, and head goes up. Good. Keeping your head at the top, starting at the tailbone, one disc at a time. Curve it the other way here. Good. And one more time, curve it the other way. Good. Head's the last part to go. And the last one here, starting at the tailbone. Curve it the other way. Shoulders, neck goes down. Good. And keep it flat. So I'm going to do the simplified version of we're going to continue to stretch back here, okay? So with your hands still in line here, you're going to shift to that left side and bring your bum down to your heels only as far as you can. Bring your arms towards you too so you're not straining any upper body areas here. Good. Big inhale. As you exhale, you're going to bring yourself up and shift to the middle again. Now we're going to shift to that right side. Ready? Go to the right side. Bring your bum down to that heels. Bring your body with you. And just holding it there. Feeling that stretch. Good. And as you exhale, you're going to unwind yourself here. Good for you. And we're going to do what's called thread the needle. Okay? Taking your right arm, you're going to have palm up, and what's going to happen is you're going to thread it through the middle part, and as it's threading through, you're going to push your bum back to your heels, okay? Good. Big inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to unwind here. Good. Repeat on the other side. Palm up. Big inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to thread that arm through, bringing the heels back to your bum. Good. Here you go, and stretch. Feel that gentle, gentle, gentle. Big inhale, and as you exhale, you slowly unwind, okay? You're going to take your heels back to your bum on your exhale while your arms are going to slide out to the front, palms remaining on the ground. Exhale, let's go only as far as you can again. Good. Arms, stretch them out. Feel that stretch in your upper back. And exhale, coming back to the top. Good. And you're going to sit down here. Okay. And again, go ahead, do these stretches as much as you want. Repeat them as much as you want. All right. So we're going to sit nicely here, cross-legged. If that's uncomfortable, you can sit like this. Totally up to you. All right. So hands down at the side. Again, if this is not comfortable, you're going to sit like this. Okay. And I'm actually going to sit like this, just so it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. Okay. You're going to push your palms down to the ground. Lower your shoulders. Relax. Okay. All right, so with your hands facing the ground, you're going to push that left side down, turn your head to the left, look, turn your head down so as if you have a chest pocket, push that heel to the ground. You'll feel a stretch on the right side of your neck. Good. Good. Lifting your head up to the middle, relax that hand. Now with your opposite hand, you're going to do the same. You're going to turn your neck to the right. You're going to look down as if you have a chest pocket. That right palm, you're going to push it down to the ground. You're going to feel a nice stretch again on the outside of your left side of your neck. Good. Relax your hand, head up to the middle. Slowly rolling your shoulders back. Always taking big inhales and big exhales. Good. Rolling them forward. Good. Now you're going to do this. I'm going to turn around so you can see. You're going to clasp your hands together here. You're going to roll your shoulders down and back. And then you're just going to slightly lift up your arms. And just feel that stretch. Good. Relax your hands, shoulders up, and relax. You're going to take your right arm. You're going to bring it across your body. Hold up here. Not here, right here. And you're just going to pull. Feel that shoulder stretch. Make sure your shoulders are down and relaxed. And relax your hand, bring your other arm, your left arm across, holding it here, and just giving a slight pull. Good. And relax. Big inhale, big exhale, big inhale, and big exhale. Good for you. So there you have it. You did your 10-minute stretch session. Feel proud of yourself. Feel proud of making time for yourself. Remember, this will be here. I'm not going to erase it. This 10-minute stretch session. Use it anytime. Today's Saturday, so on Monday, I'm going to do another stretch session. And again, you can send me a direct message, you can email me, send me a text, or go ahead, comment down below that yes, you would be interested in me doing a 20-minute exercise. Anybody can do it, no matter what your fitness level is. And, you know, if there's anything that I can please share with you, and that is, of course, always love yourself. Get out in the fresh air. It's really hard this time of isolation and social isolation that's happening. But I heard it again, and you know how I preach about getting fresh air, get in nature. From the disease control, they had someone talking this morning at CBC, and he said the best thing you can do is get outside, get fresh air for your mental wellness, as also just keeping, you know, other than from your family members, from other people, just keeping that 6-foot barrier. But yeah, get outside. The sun's shining beautifully, and go ahead, share this stretch session with somebody else. Have people do it with you, and let's create positive thinking. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.